Hello guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to teach you how to play Urave flute BGM. So end of the video you guys will learn how to play Urave flute BGM. So keep watching until to the end. And I need to say this music has E flat and B flat. Okay, so you guys need to familiar with both notes. Without that you guys will not able to play this beautifully. So keep practice flat notes. Okay, so today I'm using my E flat scale flute. You guys can use any flute that you have. So first line goes like sa re ni sa. When you play ni and ga, both are komal, not shuddha. Okay, so I will not keep saying this note is komal. Okay, so keep it mind. Sa re ni sa. Okay, sa re ni sa, komal ni sa. Okay, sa re ni sa, and then sa ni sa re re ga re, sa ni sa ni pa pa ni ma pa, sa ni sa re re ga, sa ni sa re re ga re, sa ni sa ni pa pa ni ma pa. Okay, sa ni sa re re ga re, sa ni sa ni pa pa ni ma pa. And then again sa re ni sa, sa ni sa re re ga re, sa ni sa ni pa pa ni ma pa. Okay, repeat both lines for 2 times like this. And then when you starting mappa, and then sa sa ni da ni da pa, and also you guys have to play komal dha. Okay, not komal ga and komal ni. You guys have to play komal dha also. So mappa sa sa ni da pa. Once again, mappa dha, sorry, mappa sa sa ni dha pa. Once again. Okay, and then once again ma pa sa sa ni da pa, pa ma pa re re ga re sa ni. Okay, pa ma pa re ga re sa ni. Once again both line. Okay, and then ni dha, komal ni, both komal ni and komal dha, both are komal. Ni dha da ni sa sa re re ga ga. Ni dha da ni sa sa re re ga ga. Okay, and then ma ga ga re sa sa ni. Okay, ma ga re sa ni. Ni sa ni pa pa ni ma pa sa ni. Okay, once again. Once again. You can guys repeat whole part once you hit the last line. Okay, so as I said, now you guys know how to play Urave flute BGM. So I hope you guys learn how to play that flute BGM through this video. If you guys enjoyed and learned something from this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to get more videos like this, more tutorial videos like this. And so as I said, keep practice flat notes, okay, and keep playing, keep practicing. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in another tutorial video. Until that, bye bye.